Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes solution for winseven.exe drive not ready error in Windows. Type device manager in search bar. Device manager. Click floppy disk drive. Click floppy disk drive. Right-click floppy disk drive, click properties. Click driver tab. Click disable device. Click yes to continue. Click OK. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.